Good morning, good afternoon, good whenever I see my video. My name is Comfortable. My Instagram name is Anita C568. Go and check, go and follow me on my Instagram. So today I want to do simple makeup because I want to go pick my children for school. You know, as Oyibo they do now, if you can't pick your children, they still say you put all those massive makeup for face like this, all those heavy makeup. They look you like this. You understand? So now this Saturday do my makeup. I want to go pick my children for school. So time not day what I want to do because that's why I start am earlier. So I know if you do video, I can't talk, I can't do makeup. It goes too slow for me. So I don't already start am. So let me show you guys what I use. So I use this oil made by me. Instead of me to use this foundation, which is this. Oh my gosh. Which is this. I tell you yesterday, green tea. Okay. So I not use that one. I use that oil I show you. Then I can't use this one. All this thing what you see, so this foundation and this pancake. I'll be waiting. I buy it for home when I travel last year. So I know the person wey dey use makeup because of pimples. I not like if I too use makeup, they bring rashes come for my face. So let me show you guys the eyelashes one I use now. Instead of me to use this one or this one, I prefer use this one. Yeah. So all this one now home I for buy them when I go home last year. This one I buy it for AliExpress. I think 3 days ago. Or no, 1 week ago, sorry. Okay. I think it's okay. So wait till they talk about these Hausa people. Hausa people, I don't feel live with them. I don't feel stay with them for how many years? For Okada, for Igbinedion Estates. I see the way Igbinedion they treat them. And I see the way they take work for Igbinedion. Because when you treat people nice, Igbinedion go bring them come from their town, north side, and he give the house, he give the cow to take care of. That will be their job to do. So before anything happen for that estate, any small thing happen for estate, Hausa people don't come out. They no dey use that estate matter till they play. They guide them. You know they not get police where they guide that estate to. You only get security. Then so because for that estate, after 10 you not get right to enter inside estate again. The gate don't lock. You understand? So the way what I use am is that the way we una take dey treat people, the way you take treat people, na people go still take dey treat una back. For how many years wey I take stay for that Igbinedion estate? When I come finally go Benin back, go start my secondary school for Benin, I see the way difference dey. You understand? Fulani people wey dey there and Fulani people and Hausa people wey dey Lagos street, difference dey. Because Fulani people wey dey Igbinedion estate then they are very neat, respectful, they are very intelligent. Normally Hausa people, they are very intelligent to not play with their intelligence. But some people would they call them Nama, Melu. They call their name. All those names when they call them is not good. Hausa people, they are from Nigeria like you guys. Stop discriminating people. That is why you see say our Nigeria people, most of our other tribe, they don't like to marry Hausa people because of the names wey una don give them. You see that mala wey una dey call them, or aboki, na good name o. Make una go google am. Na good name. Aboki na my friend. Mala na teacher. You understand? So I don't know how una take construct that name, come use am shine to bad name for them, because that name, dem theirself, they no expect say the way una take mean that name, that is una take turn that name to bad thing. When you ask any mala, say mala menini, like you ask them what, he go explain for you. But now I no come know how una come use the shame to una come dey call the different name, nama, melu, different name. Abba na. Abeg, make we still dey give them. All these people, they are human being like us. For you, Western world, why dey for here? Napoli, whatever. Even if they no dey discriminate themselves openly the way una take dey do am so. Like una go see somebody, una go even dey eat their suya, dey slap the joiner. Make una stop that thing. All those things, e dey cause harm to country. I use God beg una, make we stop am. You understand? Muslim, the real Muslim, they are very good. Muslim people, na all their heart they go take follow you. They no go take, if you say Muslim person do this thing, he go do am. You go give am money. But some of una, if una give all these people something made, especially that time wey I dey Benin, my Benin people, if una give them shoe, if una give all these Hausa people shoe make dem sew, they go sew am finish, una no dey give them money. Some of una say, hey, go, goat, go. Una dey call am cow, melu, go. Stop all those things. Make we still try whether we fit still repair this country, Nigeria, again. Because me, I dey shame sometimes to call myself from Nigeria. When they ask you, say, where you for come? That name sometimes, I no lie you, I dey shame for am. Although na there for come, I cannot deny my country. Let's unite together. Make una create all this country wey una see say they get light, they get good things. They no dey divide like the way Nigeria people dey divide, they discriminate this one, Igbo people, na Onyamiri, Benin people, na this. No. Stop calling names. If I tell you the best, I don't know. I remember when I dey, I no fit say small, I don pass, I was 6 years then. All these Hausa people, we dey follow them, dey play for Okada that time. They follow them, dey play. If they dey go river, so you know say some place you share no let you go river alone, but Hausa people dey that place, Fulani people, they go guide you. You go see that they pursue, that they carry cow, they pass, wetin dem dey call am, they pass, they carry cow, they escort cow, they go eat grass. They guide the estate too. No bad thing dey happen for that estate that time. I no know about now. No bad thing. Everything is intact. Everything is in order. So I beg, whether una go fit stop that thing, I use God beg una. Can you stop this thing? Stop calling people names. Stop if Nigerian woman marry Ghana man or Cameroon or whatever, una go dey give them names. I don't know. That is no, it's not right. It's not, that is, it like una think say na una wise. Una no wise. You have to allow people to marry from any place where they like. Because of una, many of una sister na they remain single. Una go say husband dey scarce. Na lie. Men many pass women ever say. Na men many pass women. now. Many men, they delete single. They no get wife, they no get pikin, they no get anything. Before you go see woman wey don reach 30 years, e no get husband, e dey hard. E dey hard because of say una no una no want make people free. Let them enjoy life. This life na just one. Let them enjoy life. You understand? Let them enjoy life. I don't know whether this will even I will fit put this one, because if you go pick children for school, they come dey ask you say, they ask your pikin say, na your mommy be this, because hair wey they see you with yesterday, you understand? They normally dey change my wig every week, so I need to put the other one. I wanted to put this one, but I think I have to put the other one. So the reason why I dey like to put this net first, because of my front hair. So what I'm saying is that our Nigeria, especially the men, una no dey finish or dey give our women husband name. Now they call them kokobiri, kokobiri, different name. Now una dey call them. Una know say una dey born female children. Tomorrow, una pikin go come grow, come I go say e don, because you no fit stop pikin wey dey in love with somebody. E come grow now. E say wan marry from either Cameroon, Gambia, Ghana, whatever. You come dey stop and say no marry am. Or Ghana person go come dey stop pikin, no marry Nigeria man pikin or Nigeria woman pikin. See as they be, see as they be. You understand? All these fights, when they fight each other, you guys need to stop it, because this generation will still continue. Una generation will pass. Our generation will pass. New generation will still come. You understand? So I like to put this kind here. So the reason why they use this thing, they keep cool. If you put on like this, you know they feel cool. Please, my people, if you can stop, show all these Hausa people love. Muna show them love. Show them love. They are very nice. If you really know them, if you show them love, you see the way they go carry something. They are very humble. Women, una wey they say not see husband, una no dey say Hausa men. Muna go dey marry. What munya only one tribe? Una could just marry one tribe, marry one tribe. Muna go dey marry Hausa men. Muna go dey marry them. Hausa men are people like una. Obama ya dole me wanshi. That is it. Don't all those days of our father where they say Muna let them pass. This is new generation. Everything is new. Everything is new. Generation where we for the use internet. You want to use and compare generation where for the use letter they reply each other. Please leave Hausa people. Hausa people, they are very clever, caring Muslim people. They are caring. The real Muslim will not be as it still be for Christian. But Muslim people, me I know say they are very caring. They take off their wife well. So we are not they discriminate anybody again. So I go leave this my video here. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and give this a thumbs up if you like my video. And comment, drop your opinion. No insult me. If you insult me, I will insult you back. Bye.